Good morning and welcome back to the Built by Rich YouTube channel. Today, I'm gonna do some maintenance on the car. It's a little slow at work today, so I'm gonna do some maintenance. When I'm driving the car, when I get to the freeway speed, I do get some vibration, as well as a little clunk on the back end whenever I take off a little harder. So today we're gonna try to solve that issue by swapping out the wheel bearing. And let me show you why I think that's the issue. Here we go. If we can get underneath the car. All right. So, if you grab this, there's, it's kind of hard to see, but there's a little bit of play in it. It's not the axles because I've replaced the axles already. So that tells me it's probably the wheel bearing, but we're gonna find that out for sure today. I'm gonna take the wheel off and the brakes off and pull it out, see how it looks. All right. All right, so first thing we're gonna do after we remove the wheel is we're gonna loosen this nut and then remove the brakes, pull out the rotors, and then there's 4 bolts in the back that I can take off, and everything should slide out. And if you guys have the Arizonazcar track pack, I believe, well, I don't know for sure yet, but once I put it on, I'll find out for sure. But I believe the hub that they use is off of an Altima. I'll give you guys the part number. I'll put it on the description. All right, here's a little trick when you try to undo this nut. There's a lot of torque into it, and you don't want your car moving. So what you do is you stick a screwdriver in between the brakes and the rotors. Oh, it's kind of falling off. We stick it in between. That way, when you loosen this, it doesn't move, and you're able to get the torque that you need. So let me take that nut off and proceed on taking everything apart. Just tuck it away, not hanging. Okay. All right, there's 4 bolts holding the hub. There's 2 down here. There's 2 up here. I already loosened them up, so I just gotta take them off. All right, comparing the 2 hubs, they look very similar. Although this part looks a little different than this. The main thing is making sure that um, the the width is the same. Try to do it one-handed. So this one's 3.6 or 3.5, and it's pretty much the same. So that's good. That means it'll slide into the upright. This distance should be the same. One thing I do need to do is change the studs, because I have extended studs. So I need to pull those out, put those in here, and we can slap it back in. All right, cleaned it up a little bit over there. Now it's just a matter of sliding it back in, bolting everything down, and we should be good to go. So. On there, just gotta torque it all and then reinstall the brakes. All right, everything's back on there. Let's test it out. It's solid, no up and down play or side to side. So hopefully that takes care of my vibration issue, and she'll be good to go. All right, guys, until next time, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. That really helps me out. Thanks. Peace.